The IAP is a complicated organization in that it consists of academies of science, medicine, and engineering from around the world. Academies that are very different in terms of their history, their funding, and even their mission, in the sense that most academies are independent, merit-based academies that house some of the best scientists in any given country and have great respect and credibility as a result. But not all academies historically have existed with a goal of providing science-based advice to policymakers, mainly government, but other critical institutions, as well as to the public. And so many academies now are trying to build their capacity to provide that kind of a critical role in their own countries, in their region, and in global partnership. And so one of the great challenges for IAP is really helping to strengthen capacity of academies around the world and to help build new academies where there aren't existing academies.